Hello, we're going to look at the instructions for Say Hello on Flipgrid. Okay, so when I get here, I'm going to type my username for the Chromebook. All right, tu contraseña for your Chromebook. Okay, no escribe Cabrera out because that's mine, es mío. Necesita escribir su propio contraseña. Okay, so after I type that, I'm going to click Let's Go. And here is our assignment. Welcome to Flipgrid. Tap the green plus button below to open the Flipgrid camera. Then record a short video and say hello and tell a friend you missed them. Bienvenido a Flipgrid. Toque el señal más verde a continuación para abrir la cámara Flipgrid. Luego graba un video corto y di hola y dile a un amigo o amiga que los extrañas. All right, so to record para grabar, you're going to click here and you click allow and you say, so there I am. I haven't recorded yet. You can add like a sticky note. So I'll add a little note there and you can decorate. Put that there. And you can change the color. Some cool, pretty colors there. All right. So I'm ready to record. Estoy listo para grabar. So I'm going to click record. And after I click record, I'm going to say my answer. Después de haz un click on this button, necesita hablar mi respuesta en inglés. All right. Hi, everybody. I'm glad to see you on Flipgrid. I miss everybody, and I hope you're doing okay. I'll see you next time. And then when I'm done, I'm going to click next. And then here's my video. You can hear everybody, and I hope you're doing okay. So that's the video there. When I'm done with that, I'm going to click next. And then I have to take a selfie to submit my video. Necesito tomar una foto para, what is the word? Enviar mi tarea. So I'll just do this. And then next. And you don't have to change the name. Your name will be here, and you just click submit. Fácil. So that is how you do your homework for Say Hello on Flipgrid.